tell me what motivated you to join the club?
I remember one incident where we just visited a village where we organized a camp where we conducted several tests like blood pressure test, their height test or their sugar level test, and seeing the faces, seeing the glimpses of all the people just going there collectively in order to just be there for their health, their own health, make me inspired that no matter what we are doing, health is the topmost, the foremost priority of our generation. So, not just seeing our younger generation, but also seeing the older generation walking outside towards the campaign that we have organized and doing work as a teenager feels so much pride in our heart and also feels a responsibility to take actions not just beyond our classes but also towards the world that we are living.
Okay, so what kind of activities you have been doing in your club? Can you tell me about it, and what has been your favorite activity so far?
I remember one activity that we used to run to every classes, reminding every classes that sanitation, hygiene is the topmost priority. So we have guided like junior most kindergarten classes to not just throw wrappers or just be in their clumsy room and be that child from the young age, be confident enough to know how the health system works and everything. So we have replaced the plastic lunch boxes, water bottles to meter just metal and steel boxes. So this is the significant step we have taken in our school, and also we have done meditation for like 5 minutes, and which inspires students to be just in that moment and explore ourselves and introspect their thoughts, like sitting in our class.
Okay, so you have also represented India in a global stage. So, what was it like representing India at a WHO conference in Geneva? Can you share your experience with me?
Yes. First of all, I learned so many skills. I learned how to analyze situation calmly and conclude discussions effectively and be polite, get through the continuous debates, discussions and interactions. I learned how to be confident yet humble, and also I have learned the skill of being empathetic towards others while working with people from different backgrounds, cultures, languages, and also they have taught me like every thought of you, every opinion of you matters. No matter where you came from, where are you standing, where are you sitting, you just have a room full of opinions, and your voice matters too in the room of the platform we have given Model United Nations.
So, has this public health club influenced what you might want to pursue in your future and as a career? I'm asked.
Ma'am, in future, I see myself actively participating in activities like where we have to just be vocal, confident, and engage in some public crowd work like we have done so far in Public Health Club. And I want to see myself in activities where we not just catering the upper generation, but we are also working with the grounded level and older generations. That's all. And I myself be very happy if I able to work like that.
Wow, amazing. So, what message would you want to give to other students and other schools who don't have a public health club in their, schools?
I think the message I want to give to all the students who have not public health school in their school, but I think they should make steps on their own at home, not just depending upon their institutions that if they will start then we will take any initiative. I think they should prioritize mental health at firstly at their academic level and then at their home, and then to exceed with their surroundings like institutions like school, colleges, etc.
Amazing. Thank you so much.